She is powerful, sophisticated, and confident, so strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So for today guys, I'll be showing you how it is I achieve my best wash and go so far with my new favorite brand of styling gel. So you can see here my hair is freshly washed and I had separated it in 4 after conditioning. I do have a little patch going on at the front there. What has happened, this is due to tension from my high puffs, but I currently have a growth process that I'm working with, so you can see that it's currently growing in. If you want to know what I've been doing to help for my hair to restore the last section of my hair, let me know in the comment section. So guys, to begin, I will be making a side part because that's how I normally wear my hair for my wash and go. This comb isn't exactly the ideal comb for parting, but it works. So today guys, I'll be using the wondergro olive oil styling gel. So if you watched my last video, which was my half up half down, you'd have seen where I used the coconut oil. But for today, for my full wash and go, I'll be using the olive oil. So to start off guys, I apply the gel directly to the parting to separate the sections. One thing I've noticed from using this gel is that I really don't need a lot for my hair compared to some other styling gels that are used for wash and grow, which I sometimes use the entire tub in my hair. It's totally different for this one. If you realize, I've already applied about 2 times to my hair and the definition is already on point. So you realize once I've applied a little to my hair, I just go ahead to use my fingers to shingle my hair, the shingling method from the root to the ends. I haven't reapplied any as yet because I realize that just the amount I've applied is enough to get my curls popping. So all I'll need to do is just add some more, just a little more to the sections that aren't forming as yet. So here I'll show you the difference with the side that I've already done and then the side that hasn't had the gel as yet. I did apply additional gel to the section where I have my little patch because due to the fact that it's shorter, it needs some special attention. So guys, if you have been watching my videos, you'd realize that my hair has grown tremendously. I have a video up that shows my extreme hair growth method, what I've currently been using. And also guys, there's a pre-poo method that I've been using in my hair for the last 2 months that I'm also seeing great results from. If you want to know what that is and if you want to see a video of how I do that pre-poo method, then let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely have that video for you. What I really love about the wondergro gel line is that it is not sticky, and for sure I've noticed that I have less shrinkage when it dries. It continues to amaze me the little amount of gel I need for my wash and go in order for my curls to form, and definitely I'm loving the look already. So guys, from the shingling method, I use my fingers and I've noticed that there is little to no shedding of my hair, which shows how gentle this product is in application and also that it is very moist. So guys, remember when I was saying that I am using less gel than I'd normally use with another brand? I only used about quarter of this tub to complete this look, which is awesome. Like normally I would be at least half of a tub like that for other brands, but that wasn't the case for this one. So guys, this is actually about 4 hours after my wash and go. People don't normally show you guys what their hair looks like when it's dry, so I wanted for this wash and go video to show you what impact this gel has on the stretch on my hair after it has dried. Now you'll realize that it hasn't shrinked much. Surprisingly, you'll realize I still have some amount of length going on for me. Yes, and of course you're still seeing a lot of sheen. It hasn't dried out. You know, some gels after the wash and go, your hair gets very dry and crispy. That's not the case with this gel. So I really wanted to end the video showing you what it looks like when it is dry 4 hours later after washing. And of course you can see still looking lovely. 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 Yes, it's still looking lovely, and definitely this is a gel I would recommend for a perfect, just perfect wash and go. It is definitely my favorite. So I would have wash and go gel in a previous video I would have used the coconut oil. This is the olive oil version of the Gro Styling Gel, and I did pull a full bottle. You can see it's not much, about an inch down that I've used. Just an inch down that I've used. One thing I like about this gel is that, you know, with some gels it burns your eyes. When it is wet, I didn't have that issue. It is still moist when it is dry. You can see still very much moist and still looks shiny. So here you have it guys. This is what my hair looks like 4 hours after my wash and go when it's fully dry. No, little to no shrinkage, still bouncy, still separated, still looking lovely. So guys, that's it for today's wash and go video. Hope you enjoyed. I do hope this is something you'd like to consider. You can, if you have ever tried any of the wondergro products, let me know in the comment section which one you have tried. So far I've tried the coconut oil and now the olive oil. I'll put a link in my description so you can see the difference in my hair with the coconut oil versus the argan oil. If I am to actually choose a preference, I think I prefer the coconut oil. There's a little bit more moisture to that one, but so far there is less shrinkage with this one in comparison to the coconut oil. So yeah, hit that like button if you liked today's video, and if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, until next time, continue to be your most authentic self, and of course guys, continue to stay naturally. Bye.
Welcome to Majesty.